Children, and everyone will have a chance to experience the excitement.
I'm so happy the winner.
And I'm looking forward for a very great event this year, now that the prize money has been increased. And yeah, more competition compared to last year, and yeah, a lot of fun.
The more hii kitu inaendelea inazidi kuwa kubwa. Kwa sasa huu mwaka tumeweza kuwa na mikakati mzuri na pia tunakushuhudia kupata wachezaji wengi.
We are looking forward to yet another spectacular, event where we'll have lots of participants from right across the region and even international. So this year we've got big ambitions. We're looking to about 3,500, possibly all the way to 5,000 if we can get our act together.